Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? So here in this video I'm going to be discussing about how to make $500 per week managing Discord account or be a Discord account manager or a community manager. So what is a community manager, on how do you manage Discord account and make money from it? So a community manager is an act of like liaising or being in between a brand and its audience to manage both platforms, online and offline, being a representative of a business. So you'll be managing and chatting with audience in a community whereby you solve their problems, solve internet and find a solution to their problems which they are actually facing. So, and there are different kind of management, and there are a lot of businesses who are actually looking for Discord manager to help them manage their Discord accounts, as well as they will be able to focus on some other stuff while you be their manager, and also you'll be added to their team as a community manager to work with such a business. So how do you make money from this? So lately we have a skill or service trending on online, which is NFT and crypto on its own. So there are a lot of people who are actually searching for an expert in NFT or crypto to help them talk to their audience or talk to their customers on why they should trust them, and also solve their problems if they have one or two kind of problems. So lately that I have found that people are actually making lots of money with NFT and crypto on its own, and based on the fact that people have one or two problems on this kind of service, so they actually need an expert to help them manage their Discord account where they have large of audience, because Discord actually take large of thousands of people in a community, whereby you actually need to help them be a moderator on that particular community to help them with their audience. So I have figured out this particular service on Fiverr platform, and I'm very sure if you have an experience on NFT or crypto on its own, you are going to make lots of money on this platform. So I'll be taking you on a journey to the NFT Discord manager, so we can see what people are actually making on this platform or on that particular skill, being a community manager, and also if you can actually do this on your own. So let's check on NFT community manager. Okay, as you can see, it has already popped up. So we're checking on NFT. As you can see here, this is not high saturated yet, so if you jump into this category, so you'll be able to make the best out of it as soon as possible. So then you can see here that people are actually setting up their gigs, and of course you can input any amount of price you want to charge on your own, so based on your experience. As you can see, this one here, so this one is charging $800 for basic package. So I'll be your best NFT community manager. I'll be your Discord NFT community manager. So some people charge $5, some people charge 10, some people charge 50, 70, 80, 15, 5, and it just depends on how much you actually want to charge. So you can place in any price of yours, so then you can get started on it. So how do you manage, and what do people actually requested for being a community manager? So let's check on this particular gig to see what the gig actually contains and what people are actually looking for as a community manager. So this is Discord promotion, Discord moderator, Discord manager, community manager, Discord chats, Discord member adding, real and active members, Telegram promotion, NFT Discord chats, and all. So these are the things that people are actually looking for. So that's the reason why they hire an expert to manage their Discord account. So if you actually want to be a Discord manager, so these are the things you actually need to understand and know much about before a buyer can actually contact you or hire you for a certain job. So lately a friend of mine hired someone to manage a Discord account for him, so and it actually goes well. So but if you don't have any experience at all, so I advise you go into YouTube and search for what is Discord manager and what does it entails. So with that, you'll be able to understand more about how the whole stuff is done, so you'll be able to get it the right way. And also, if a client contacts you for or ask you any questions, so you'll be able to answer them. So I also like to check on some gigs to see what people are actually talking about, to check some reviews. NFT Discord manager, so you can check some review to see what buyers are actually saying about some services. So with that, you'll be able to get more ideas on what people are looking for, so you're able to answer them in your gig description. So that will also make you and boost your gig. So let's scroll down to check the reviews from people. Okay, so this particular buyer says that we had a minor miscommunication, and after resolving the issue, the project turned out great and the results were delivered quickly. Would recommend. So as promised, thanks, great work, thanks for the help, it's much appreciated, and thanks Omizi, I don't know. So checking on excellent work done. So wow, great work, I really satisfied as you work with me. I will surely work with you in the future. So that's nice. So thanks for the great delivery, thumbs up, excellent delivery, thanks for the great job done. So absolute amazing service provided, help me engage with members of my servers professionally as instructed. So he is the best out there, thanks for the job, gonna be back soon. So I would recommend. So this particular buyer, that client hired this guy to help them engage with members on the Discord server. So, and this is the screenshot attached to the order. So I think this is actually great. So with all this kind of review, you'll be able to understand what buyers are actually looking for, so you'll be able to deliver the best service for them. So before you set up your profile on Fiverr, so I'll advise you just go into the research and check what Discord manager actually needed, so you'll be able to understand the whole concept of the whole stuff before you just jump into the service. And before you join me to the service, I advise to also learn more about NFT, because there are kind of different questions that will definitely pops up when you are actually once you get hired for a service. So you have to face all that stuff, so you'll be able to understand how everything is done. So aside from that, you can also look into crypto Discord manager. So this is just for NFT, and if you are trying to set up a gig on Discord manager, so try to make sure you set up at least 3 gigs, so you'll be able to analyze the whole 3 gigs in the first 2 weeks. So after that 2 weeks, you can then decide on which gig actually perform better. So the gig that actually perform better, you will be the one you need to promote outside the platform. So promoting your gig outside the platform will definitely help you to make order or to get order as soon as possible without depending on Fiverr on its own, because there are a lot of other sellers as well offering the same service. As you can see here, this is over 3,000 gigs already on Discord without checking on crypto Discord manager. So promoting your gig outside the platform will definitely help you to get sales as soon as possible. I hope you understand how this actually works and what you actually need to do to get started on Fiverr and how to make money as soon as possible as a Discord community manager. So if you have any question regarding this particular video or how to be a Discord manager on Fiverr and make money online, kindly drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the like button. Also turn on the bell icon, so anytime we upload new video, you will be among the first person to get a notification on your phone, so on your PC. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.